Hello YouTube. Today I'll be making a video about the Phantom 3 Standard. I recently bought me a Phantom 3 Standard, and I'm going to be showing pretty much what's inside the box, and then I'll show a quick video of me flying it. So let's go ahead and get started. So when you open up the box, it shows there's this thing right here covering up the quadcopter itself, and then underneath it is the remote and this quick thing right here. It says read and understand the user manual and all other safety instructions before using this equipment. I read everything that was in here, and then there's a box right here with the charger in it. I already took mine out because I've already used my drone. It comes, when you buy it, it comes with red stripes. I went ahead and changed this one to blue and this one to blue right here. So it's red, white, and blue. And then I'll go ahead and set that aside. And then it's got this case right here. It says DJI on it. This is what the props go in. Comes with 4 extra props, so 1 extra set of props. Go ahead and set that aside. And that's pretty much it, besides the charger, the controller. On the controller, it is a micro USB that charges it. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and open some of the other stuff up and show you guys. These are the stickers it comes with. I'm not sure you can see that, but it's more like a metallic type color to it. Almost kind of like reflective. But these are the different color stickers it came with. I'm using a flashlight right now, trying to show you guys. So yeah, those are the extra stickers it comes with. You can see where I took off the blue to put on right there. It comes with the red, so I went ahead and stuck the red on the back in case I wanted to put them back on. And then this is the battery. It's a pretty big battery compared to any other little quadcopter, pretty much. So I'll go ahead and put this in there. And that's pretty much it. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. So please like if you enjoyed this video. Comment if you have any questions about the DJI Phantom 3 Standard. And subscribe if you haven't already for more videos like this. Thank you.